When most people think of Door County, Wisconsin, Sister Bay is one of the first places that comes to your mind. After spending 5 days here, it's easy to understand why. Now, we happened to arrive at a very interesting time of year. It was May, and not just any May. It was one of those unseasonably cold Wisconsin spring weeks, where winter hasn't quite gotten the memo yet that it was supposed to leave. We arrived just as the town was opening up for the season. Many businesses had just reopened. Seasonal workers were just arriving, flowers were just beginning to appear, and everything felt like it was waking up after a long Wisconsin winter. And the best part? Hardly anyone was here. Okay, we're riding into Sister Bay from Ellison Bay. Population, according to the sign, is 1,148, but I bet it triples during tourist season. And we are just at the start of the tourist season, so there's not many people here. During the summer months, Sister Bay can be packed with visitors, but on this week, it felt like we had stumbled onto a secret version of Door County. The streets were quiet. It was easy to walk around. The waterfront was peaceful. And honestly, it felt like we had the whole town to ourselves. Of course, there's a trade-off, and that was the weather. You can't have empty streets and perfect summertime temperatures at the same time. That's kind of eating your cake and having it too. But honestly, we'll take the fewer crowds every single time. Now it's May, and as you can see, I'm bundled up. Did not bring enough warm clothes, but the sun is out now compared to this morning, and it's doable. It's not too bad. I'm not feeling like I'm a frozen popsicle. This is Liberty Lodge, or something right out of a Cape Cod, or even a movie scene. It is that quaint. Our favorite way to explore Sister Bay from the RV park that we stayed at was to get off our feet and on two wheels, because we weren't towing a car, so we got electric trikes. Kind of like a tricycle, but electric. So instead of walking through town, we hopped onto those electric trikes. And these things are an absolute blast. You get all the fun of riding a bike with a little extra help when you need it. Oh, I agree, totally. We cruised around the side streets, along the waterfront, rode through downtown, and wandered wherever it looked interesting. One of the things we immediately noticed was how clean and welcoming everything felt. The streets, they're lined with shops and restaurants and parks and beautiful views at almost every corner. And because there were so few people around, we could really take it in. There was no rush, there was no traffic, and there was no waiting. Just us and the cool air and beautiful Door County town coming back to life for another season. From the air, Sister Bay is absolutely stunning. The marina stretches out to the bay. The water creates an incredible contrast against the shoreline. And after seeing the town from above, it gives you a whole new appreciation how beautiful the area really is. This is the kind of place that makes drone pilots very happy. From every direction seems to reveal another postcard-worthy view. Now, if you ever explored Door County, you probably already know where we're headed, to Al Johnson's Swedish restaurant. Now, let's talk about the elephant, or maybe the goat in the room. Because yes, there are actually goats on the roof of this restaurant. It is grass on the roof. Now, when we were there, the goats weren't there because it was too cold. But if you've ever seen it before, I know it sounds completely ridiculous. That's exactly why people love this place. The tradition started decades ago and has become one of the most recognizable attractions in Wisconsin. So yes, it was cold there, especially for these Texas people. But sometimes travel isn't about perfect weather. Sometimes it's just about being at the right place at the right time. And this felt like one of those moments. As the days went on, we did what any reasonably people would do on a chilly Wisconsin day. We bought ice cream, or as they call it there, custard. Now, before anyone points out the obvious, yes, it was cold, and yes, we got ice cream.
What do you think of the Door County custard ice cream?
Very good. Very good.
When we look back on this trip, we're not going to remember the cold weather, but we will remember the empty streets, riding the electric trikes through town. We'll remember Al Johnson's restaurant, and we'll definitely remember eating ice cream and wondering why we should have ordered hot chocolate instead. So before leaving, we took a look at Sister Bay one more time from above. The waterfront, the marina, and the quiet streets. The restaurants and the shops preparing for another busy season. And it reminded us why timing can completely change a travel experience. So if you're thinking about visiting Door County, Wisconsin in the early spring, first couple weeks of May, just make sure you bring a jacket or two, hats, and a gloves, because for these Texas people, it was chilly. But if you decide to eat ice cream on a cold day, trust us, you're not going to be the first. So thanks for coming along with us as we explored Sister Bay, Wisconsin. We are Travel with the Hales, and until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Happy travels.